From the street, 20C Orari Street is understated, but step inside and you'll quickly see it offers so much more than meets the eye. I'm Emma Young, this is The Lowdown, and welcome to your new home. Inside, the layout feels immediately comfortable and well considered. There's a separate living and dining area, both filled with natural light and opening out to a west-facing deck, perfect for afternoon sun and relaxing evenings. The elevated deck overlooks a sheltered lower deck with leafy treetop views, giving you great outdoor living without the upkeep. The home offers 2 double and a single bedroom, with a newly remodelled bathroom and the bonus of a second toilet. There's excellent parking with a carport, plus 2 additional off-street car parks, and being an end unit, you'll enjoy extra privacy and natural light in this quiet, no-exit street. Whether you're buying your first home or downsizing without compromise, this is a smart, easy care choice. This home must be seen to be truly appreciated. I'll see you soon.